Kenen party dong cha ko nye to lep we lep tel kera yenti nye ne kono kwano level kono gango multi party politics premier level to 12 pen the some of majority of the voters level gi peruam kimigi ma ini tamani and gene are the majority ma kai ber kan wato lebi kinye to lebi to 12 en ye kar patio wegen pat mo kene me Uganda tene ne tika kate wen lo kanye to lep kinyoto ni an ker na an tika manyo petika mo ma gichoy bach enini come in come pa jo mati sina 4 degree master PhD professors ko gango kidong lu pere ngenya lu kwat chet dong ber tunga kan petika mo ko meno in NRM everybody is welcome meno gena meta tiri ka ideology papati ena in bien la wuy no wan long kiter wa chang kwenzi kidek one training 115 point program wa cha ko kede and the movement secretariat so ideology pedak mer ni ki waja in may bien be anange kata in bien kede be ne pe ki ideology mo pen background kama in a ebe no background pa opposition so li iguni pedak wa donye matot personally amer lok maduong akar ka kenyo te makeja ento omer wajane ni wan po kwero pen ki yer wakar malach and the so called people bubera wai wan lu kuo wan lu cham NRM et kira infuri te wajane ni wan lu ming lwak mier po yewa and they are the same people by wai NRM raj mada they now coming again me wajane ni NRM be ki lwak again by wai NRM raj ki bera bulgi be ye kuiba ge karne so here don't ngene ko berwa ti bridge mo me gonyo lok beba you were there saying the NRM right but you are now seeing the NRM is good you are coming and you are now me ergu bin non kala ko lebgi me waje ge jone cha to convince those people magemba wa NRM right lu ko lu jok lu nego lu yake they are now to stand those things manyuri mer one be wa jologi and they should come with a good faith ki chuny maber mier gu bin pe kod gi chuny mogo ma kamo kenda winy gi tika yet ngairi gi kony gi pe ngairi gi be pe gam wa chima jomo kene so dong we beru ni ning ki dong be ne lok ma dong raj lo me winyu kai winyu dan te wa lo ka dore ba mera ni jomo kene gi te wa dong gu bin ke mine gi gu chet an pos u dok raj adi den yin pe ngeni lu jo ad sapata pa enare ma tig degree tie who are even capable mechu how can they go unopposed. They should take flag. They should be a flag bearer per party. La bon PM kedgi. In itamani lare. Anyone the way go be let them come to the party. They follow the ideology, the procedure and process per party. They should come and convene us. Magana young year one rachi. They should come and convene us. We go to party primary, and if they are through, we shall support them. Kadung mu karne ke party primary ba dog right ngara bu dore ko pe ngara bu wai ko di donyo tin pe ko ga ngo peke they should follow all the kidwin per secretary general papa to waju kere they should follow all the process papa so eguni e wano te ka kwar ne pen lok matiko beri ni ke waje wi ni ngari munyo wa mero uchung ukwan flag papa peke yel ene dong lok rach do mer do rach peke kwero ngati monge kena mer bin pate eto bin kun dong gonyo lokachon ki ye dong nyono ke wade kuonge nyolare olare de pate wani tenga de donyo baj pete nene ini ngwech kume ngwe ukato tinene ana chwa gar lok le jomo kay marugo yelu de ko tien melegani dan ma jala ane ana surviving pate ki jimi na kare sasa ya konyo wake pate ma duata resources magang wake mamega akonyo wake pate donc ti ko mo ken me win dan ko kumbedi we have developed one can be the party for over 40 30 years go bedeni walu ten watigi degree but we are not supported kakitaka cho mon kan kan ki cho ana buda donye mon tigi degree and to private and kai checking luten but jo kan tigi degree tigi ruam pal go ke lieutenant captain and that's where we are crying And that's how politics, Umir Bedi, when you are party supporter, all Umir is supporting in party supporter, could be repeated Jago Koromuku, supporting in go. With your qualification, ki brain me wini. Peg me titi. So that is what we are crying. Peg and pa mero ni mea ne pa te mudara. And kai winya te a na te koro on that basic. Ni and machal party supporter, a strong hardened party supporter. Kala tena tig degree la tena ti level ko be ko an tig tena to ngwen ma tig analysis. Where can they be put? Machale party cadres. Ten pa party cadres. Ego ne ye kam watiga koro. Mumiri nge kamiri win. Kai win ga chwa kati anga chwa kan ga bi win nyati. Because of that amer streamlining. Alba cherga koro ne peke konywa peke me wa chen. No. Kaba cherga chwa I'm going to streamline on that. Ne state house scholarship kama tie ki kwangil tianwa level madonga o kitegi for degree kita transition dong tie because that transition need also our support. We are still there. Ne temo jimi maki chai dano ki ngeri lo lep ini what happened in Kawempe. Check all the register make Kawempe how many NRM has registered in that book of NRM. They are more than the vote. So where are they? So it will also come here. Level. Don't bring level in the party. When you bring level in the party, even candidate, we can have a good candidate and will not get vote. You even know, bolukui, you even know how make better hole get karkan. NRM are the one voting back make better hole. You even know. Me example ache. So take note. Iti happy ni ngate mono binu nyo jomo go be in a party, and we need harmony. Mabe to convince the whole and the new ni wa chiru kuman wa wor kuman wa timu kuman peruti kwene. They must also be listened to. Pay joge. Get a way of guiding. Join that meeting. Get a way of guiding them. Listen to them and guide them. Pay joge. So you will hear the same Kawempe, or you will hear. You have seen how the trend of politics is going. Lango has been captured by UPC. A good candidate or a professor, NRM will not go through. So it may even come up to here. So trend me politics take a lock. Kade na FDC don't take a rain. The so-called strong FDC don't take a rain do NRM. So take note of that. The trend can also change. Which yellow and is going to vote, will vote, an opposition person will go through. Because of Kenega Eguni Weng. You have seen so many good candidates of NRM Mobile Town. Let me give you an example. Right Honorable Secretary General Todwong. No petty quality, everything. Make out gulu municipality card. Quality and everything. What happened? When I don't you even know, and you were here. I believe either voting here and you voting bolum to NRM. Me example I can add more and more and more good quality pal NRM maguber kanga chung. I can add more for mayor, IMP, LT5, including LT5 Uchara, the late Uchara, Kanol. Fail. And he was a good NRM with all the qualities, with all the levels, what made Uchara to fail? Those are intrigue of party, intrigue of party members. So, we were a big it can happen to ngata unity at it can happen. So take note of that. Let's calm down. Let's join the team Let's join the team and listen also to them. There are others who pay like ne mea buru dog right. You mea kamoka. Joke others with genuine issues. In la wala wu maje do Mario and pay better call MP mono pe gamuchimi. I have the recording with me. So let's be open. Let people better chai down. Better ko bit be kang armo chweri ti de logo wa dugi kum down weng. No. Let's be objective. Kang armo wa de let my no opinion. Hansa gambore aida in boke ben ke kilo general gian command ke luak no romete chai jo mo mir pe chagi and jo mo mir be very active, and those who are very active on the ground in politics me elective politics any are the illiterate waka weti ngai ko bede are the literate and they are very active for working gang ron word with do to do think with degree can move we and do to do but take a degree ne. In politics those are the people make a merge. Ma ye bangu gi mo ke ken ye bangu lo ka mo ke ken. So eno ne ene gena meta legi a winyu lo ke tien ti wa wa ja gam mer matidi in politics ba kay level mi ko ni gidi you have it, but in politics level pay